Hi everyone, welcome back to Nas Davis channel. Today we're going to talk about natural family planning methods. As you can see, I'm having something on my head. It's not a beautiful ornament, but it's one of the family planning methods that we have. So for those who have not subscribed, you can always subscribe to this channel, like, and also put notifications because we have a number of topics and good things to talk about. So today, you may be wondering what is natural family planning methods. So these are just methods that we apply to help us achieve that family size that we are comfortable in managing as parents and also as guardians. And we also have benefits and also disadvantages. So what are these benefits for natural family planning methods? The benefit is that one, they are free of charge, and two, they don't have any hormonal side effects to the body because there's no physical contact between you and this planning method, unlike the others that we have like injections and also for the implants. Another good thing is that it's free and you can always get it wherever you want it. It's never out of stock, and so it's a good one and can be considered by everyone. One of the disadvantages that we have is that one, it takes time because it requires a lot of patience, involves counting of days, you have to be accurate, which most of us may find it very difficult. Another thing, you may have to have a prolonged time of abstinence in order to achieve this use, which is so hard mostly for men. Another thing, another disadvantage is that without consistency and what is required, then there's high chances of it failing. So the ball is on your court. You can decide whether to go with it or not. We have a number of natural family planning methods. One, we have the calendar method, where you have to count your days to know your cycle. Another thing, we have the basal temperature. That is, when you're ovulating, your temperature tends to rise up, so you have to be keen also about your body. Another thing, we have the cervical mucus method. This is whereby you insert your hands in your genitalia, then you feel the mucus. So for the mucus, if it's watery and if it's thick, there's a way that it will make you safe or not safe. Another thing about this, we have my ornament, the cycle beads that you can also use. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use these cycle beads. So for a cycle bead, using it, you have to be a person whose cycle is between 26 days to 32 days. So that means you have to be so correct and consistent with your calendars. Another thing, it can only be used by people who have regular menses, because with that you're sure with their days. But if you're a regular basis, I'm sorry, this one is not for you. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use this natural family planning method. So here we have several beads with different colors. We have red, we have dark brown, we have brown, we have dark brown, and we have white. All these beads, they signify and they stand for something. So you just have to be so keen with it in order to achieve the consistency and in order to achieve the results that you're looking for, which is to not get pregnant, or if you want to get pregnant. So I'll start with our day one. So our day one starts when we are on our menses. So the day that your period starts, you come to your calendar. They come with the calendar, and then you mark that day. Let me say, for example, it's day 3. So you mark day 3 on your calendar. That will be the first day of your menstrual cycle. So this is day 1, you're having your period. So the following day, after you've had your period, you move. So you'll be moving with the ring. So this will be your second day, your third day, your fourth day. And in case, this one just determines the number of days that you have your periods. If your periods take 3 days, then you move it that way. If it's 4 days, then it's that way. So what does it mean? It means after your period, the first, second, and the third day, the fourth, fifth, and sixth day, you're safe. Meaning, these brown beads, they signify safe days. So after this day, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So from the 8th day, the white beads, they signify unsafe days, and there are 13 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these beads, the white beads, are are 13 in total in number, so this signifies the unsafe days. It means when you have unprotected sex during these days, you are having a high possibility of becoming pregnant. So for a person who wants to conceive, then this is the right time for you to have unprotected sex. But for you who doesn't want to get pregnant, then this is the highest time for you not to have protected sex. Then from the 13th day, then you're safe all the way from 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, up to this time, you're safe. But you realize there's the black bead. So this black bead is just for people who their cycles goes up to 32 days. But from the 13th day, then you're safe until the next time that you'll be having your periods. I don't believe in people having sex when they are having their periods, but it's still under the safe days. So one thing you should need to remember is that this family planning method does not protect you from contracting HIV/AIDS and other STIs. So I hope you've learned something, and we're looking forward to see you again in our next video. Thank you.